Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video let's discuss regarding these topics, doubts regarding the task mail. So many of the students got task mail today and some of you are asking doubts, and then some of you have neither got rejection mail nor got task mail. So let's see it. Firstly, what is this task mail you are getting? So I am attaching the screenshots. So this is the task mail. You will be getting a mail like this. So as the next step in your recruitment journey with Accenture, please log into your profile and upload the required documents for us to consider your application for further processing. And additionally, you will also get another mail like we are reaching out to you as one or multiple tasks have been assigned to you, and they will be asking you to please log into your account and take the necessary action. They have given you the URL and username and password also. And see this note here, for best experience they are recommending to use Firefox or Chrome. And in case if you have any doubts also, they gave the help desk menu, and also they ask to contact Accenture MyZone if you have any doubts. Also see this point guys here. So basically it is saying that unless a formal employment offer is given to you, specifically mentioning the terms of employment, so nothing mentioned in this mail will be an offer of employment. So until you receive formal offer of employment with all the terms included in it, so until then you are not selected. So until then you are in the process still. And once you open that link and logged in with your username and password, so there will be a different list of tasks like this. There may be different tasks for different people based on their role. Some people have 9 tasks and some people have 14 tasks. So don't worry, kindly submit the task whatever you have. So here there are personal details, and then they are asking your address details, and then candidate identity details, and then coming to educational details there are 10th and 12th. So kindly submit the correct certificates at 10th and 12th, and then candidate education details like diploma, and then educational details of UG and PG, and then candidate educational details other educational details, and then if you have any prior employment, candidate prior employment and interview processing details, and there will be candidate pair work experience. So firstly open each task guys, then there will be information like what are all the things you need to submit there, and then candidates international workers details, candidate declaration form, and then candidate BGC details. So open each of the tasks and check the details there, like what are the documents they are asking, and there may be some yes or no questions also. So open those and kindly answer correctly. So once you submitted all these tasks, all these documents, so they will verify your documents. And then who got that mail? Like today many of the people got task mails, as I already told, and previously also some of the students got task mail, like 2 or 3 days back few people got task mails. But today majority of the people got, like many of the people messaged me and mailed me that I got task mails. So there are different people like 2022 batch people, 2023 batch people. So different people got these task mails, so there isn't any fixed pattern. And also people with different roles got this task mail. So like there is no fixed only SASA people got task mail, not like that. So I have received responses from ASCs, SASA and many different roles. So many of the students got these task mails. And one more thing was people with different slots, different interview slots, that is people gave interview on different dates, right? So all those people, many of the people got task mails, not on one fixed date particularly. Many of the people messaged me from I'm from July 2nd, July 4th, July 8th, July 10th, and I got task mails. So what I am saying was there is no fixed pattern here, unless like 2 to 3 days back mostly July 4th interview students got these task mails, but today not like that. Many people got this mail. So you can have a hope that you will also get these task mails. In case if any of the students are still waiting for it, like still gave interviews on different dates and still gave interviews on these dates, so you can also wait for the mail. Hope you will receive it soon. And then many of you are asking this question, so I received task mail, means that means I am selected or not? So the right answer would be no. Still you are in the recruitment process. We already saw that statement in the previous mail. So unless you get formal offer of employment with all the terms and conditions, so everything else will not be considered as an offer. So until you receive LOI or offer from Accenture, until then you are still in the recruitment process. And in mail also they mentioned it clearly, upload the required documents for us to consider your application for further processing. So that means still you are in the process. So for further processing they are asking these documents. Once they verified these documents successfully, then they might be giving you the LOI or offer. But until then still you are in the recruitment process, so please wait until then. Still you are not selected, still you are in the process. And we already saw this point, unless formal employment letter was given to you, nothing was considered as an offer of employment. And note this point also, mere clearance of any process related to campus hiring does not by itself create an offer of employment for the candidate. Based on business requirements also you will receive your offer or joining, so it will be purely depending on the business requirements. So yeah, hope I answered this question, that still you are not selected, still you are in the recruitment process. But we can say that you moved ahead in the recruitment process. Like few people got rejection mail, but you got task mail, means you moved ahead in the recruitment process. While submitting the documents, many of the students asked this question, like they are getting the invalid mark sheet or invalid score sheet message. Really this problem was with 10th certificate and then 12th certificate. So firstly guys, don't use your mobile for scanning. So mobile was not recommended. In the site itself they mentioned this thing. So the documents have to be very clear, like all the details should be visible. So what I will be recommending was use the scanner. So in case if you have printer in your home, then there will be a scanner with it. So use it, then it will be clear. In case if you have any Xerox shop nearby, you can also go there and ask them to scan the documents. And in case if you have submitted the documents correctly and they are all clear, then there will be agree and continue button, so you can click on it. And in case if you have already submitted using your mobile scanner, leave it guys. Still who are yet to submit, use the scanner will be recommended. And then many of you are asking this question, so what if my task was rejected? Don't worry guys, in case if your task was rejected, the reason will be given there. So what was the mistake, so you can correct that mistake and then resubmit the task. So what will be happening here was, once you submit all the tasks, like once you submit all the documents, so they will actually verify your documents. So while verifying, in case they find any errors or mistakes in your documents or any other thing submitted by you, they will let you know what is the error or what is the mistake, and then you can correct it and then you can resubmit the task. So don't panic in case your task was rejected. And then coming to next question, whom to contact for queries. So in case if you have any queries, contact Accenture MyZone. The link was given in the mail itself. Here you can see that for any queries or assistant, please visit the help menu or write us at Accenture MyZone. And you can also see in other mail, for any queries or assistant, please use the help desk menu. So using these options you can contact them in case if you have any queries while submitting the documents or while filling the tasks. And finally, few people are asking this question, I got neither rejection mail nor task mail, so what to do they are asking. So mostly today many of the people got the task mails, like irrespective of the interview slots date or any irrespective of the role, most of the people got these task mails today. Hope they will also send for the remaining soon. And we also saw that in mail, so anything will be based on the business requirements only. See here they mentioned that thing, please be further informed that existence of an offer or offering any employment to a candidate shall be subject to business needs within Accenture or client requirements. So the only option we have was to wait, so there is nothing we can do more than that. And even if you mail them regarding this or even if you raised the ticket regarding this, I didn't got any of the mail till now, so they will reply same, like based on the business requirements we will be sending you, we will send you soon, like this they will reply. So since you didn't got rejection, so still you are in the recruitment process only. Many of the people got rejection mail also, so but you didn't got rejection mail, so still there is a hope for you. Like interview slots also they gave on different dates, like for many people they waited for long time, so hope you also receive this task mail soon. And for example I am saying this guys, so our batch waited many months for onboarding. You already know, in previous videos I mentioned, so they started onboarding us from July 2022 and onboarding went on till January 2023. So you have to be very patient, so please wait. Meanwhile you can try out other companies also. to explore different opportunities. In our channel also I am posting few opportunities, a few off-campus opportunities I came across. So stay tuned to our channel. That's it guys, that's it for the video. As usual, still if you have any doubts, you can mail me. Mail ID was given in the description. You can join our Telegram channel or you can also ask in the comments. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. And also please try to help among yourselves. In case if any of the other student knows any particular details, so kindly reply for others comment also in case if you know the information. It will be a great thing if you help among yourselves. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe my channel for more updates.